Hello everyone, welcome to our channels. Learning to tie a tie is easy. Just follow these simple steps. This video will show you how to do it quickly and correctly. You will be able to impress everyone with your new skill in no time. As you can see, we're going to wrap the tie around the center part and then we're going to remove it from the top. Hold it and then it is ready. You can tie it like this, pull the collar down and it's done. In this video, we're going to learn how you can make a beautiful design. You can use it for your keychains using nylon thread. So let's get started. As you can see, we're going to take this yellow nylon thread. Now you can tie it around the key, look like this, and hold the key, and you can also fix it on one corner. After this, we're going to make two loops. Look how we're doing here in this video. And then we're going to fold the nylon thread. After this, you can remove the key and then we're going to further tie it at the center. We are making the two loops here and then tie knots, hold it and remove both the ends from the back side. After this, we're going to pull it from both the side and tight it. And look how pretty this design is looking. Now you can also divide it into four parts. Look like this. It is looking like a butterfly design. Next, you can also do it like this way. As you can see, we're going to roll the broad end of the tie around two fingers and then we're going to pull it down. After this, we're going to wrap the tie around the top from both the corners and make the triangular shape. Finally, we're going to fix it from the top and then remove it like we're doing here in this video. And look, it is done. All you do is to pull it down and tie it. Let's tie this strong knot. So we're going to take two different nylon thread, make a loop by folding the thread and then we're going to remove it from both the sides. After this, we're going to make two loops using the blue nylon thread, and as you can see, we're going to remove both the ends, look like this, and continue pulling it and then tie a knot. Repeat the same from other side as well. Remove other end similar way and pull it from the bottom and then it is ready. Look how strong this one is. You have a beautiful pendant at home, so let's learn how you can tie a beautiful knot at home. As you can see, we're going to take this orange nylon thread, fold it into half and then we're going to tie a knot around the ring. Now we're going to hold it and make two loops. After this, we're going to tie a knot and then we're going to remove the end of it through that knot. Pull it down like this and then we're going to tie it. Look how we're doing here in this video. Repeat the same from other side and look, it is done. You have old ring lying at home, so let's decorate it using nylon threads. As you can see, we're going to tie the ring using a tape. Look like this. You can take a masking tape. Now we're going to use two different color of thread, that is the golden one and red one. It will look chic. Now we're going to tie a knot using both the thread and then we're going to use the alternate threads. Look, we are making the loop using the red one and remove the end of the golden like this, and then we're going to pull the thread together. Look how we're doing here in this video. You will get this beautiful intricate design on the top of the ring. Continue doing it and look, it is done. You can cover the entire ring or leave it like we're doing here in this video. In place of this, you can also put beautiful small pearls at the center of the thread. They will look good as well. After this, we're going to cut the extra part of the thread. You can use a lighter to fix the loose ends. And look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.